CryptoPapa.
Welcome back to another video of Crypto Papa, where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy. I'm Conan. Once again, thank you very much for clicking in for another video. On today's video, we are going to touch a lot of, especially on crypto's market. We talk about fundamental and technical analysis just for you. It's been a while, and I'm back to give you another insight of the market movement. So this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and your risk management. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the market. Bitcoin heat map today, 48 hours. Super chart, we got the candlestick parking at 116k currently. And as you can see, we got a lot of volumes, and essentially they are putting a lot of liquidity just right at the downside, which is ranging from the 114k to 112,000. We got a lot of liquidations parking over this zone, which could potentially trigger the candlestick, which could either goes up first to the nearest hunting, following by a huge downside, dipping all the way maybe to this area because we got a lot of volume. Essentially, we got 65.4 millions over this zone. On today's Bitcoin 1 hour chart, we got an obvious parabolic movement. This is just the beginning of the parabolic. We still see a lot of upside potential, which could be massively pumping again to the upside. But as for the current Bitcoin, we got the signal for you breaking of this entry, and we got the first TP at 116,000. Because this is a parabolic, so it could potentially still massively pumping again to the upside. And using the indicator, which is just reserved for our VIP members, we got a lot of obvious bullish golden alignments from the moving average. So just a week ago, we analyzed that the CME future of the Bitcoin, there's a huge gap leaving right at this base, and in recent days, it has been successfully respected the FVG zone, and currently it is going to hunt the 118,000, which could serve as one of the main POC, the point of control, where a lot of money has been parking over this zone. So with the next possible movement of Bitcoin, with the current parabolic movement, which should be trigger a huge pumping all the way, we could see literally to the POC area at 118,000. So I changed to the Bitcoin dominance today, 1 hour time frame chart. Just a week ago, we had been telling that it needs to respect the FVG zone before we see the next possible running of the market. And as you can see today, it has continuously breaking below the support, which with a retest, which could serve as a failure of the retest, and continues to dipping, which we could see the next possible support zone area are located at 56%. Alternatively, you can measure it using the Fibonacci. You could see that on the 161.8%, the golden value of Fibonacci, which is just right above this Fibonacci, we got the support zone, the important one. So same goes to the Ethereum. On today's market, 1 hour, we got a parabolic just a bit earlier comparing to the Bitcoin. This is just the beginning of the massive pumping of Ethereum, which we could possibly see challenging to the all-time high soon, maybe sooner than we expected. We got the signal has been opened up for our lovely VIP members since yesterday, and of course, this is the benefit for joining our VIP team. You got a real-time insight of the any signals and also discussion, and also we got a helpful team that going to help you along the journey. Of course, we got a wonderful indicator showing a lot of strong bullish golden alignment, which could serve as a strong powerful tools in order for us to filter out the market. So on Ethereum side, 1 hour placing a lot of TPs, which also serve as the resistance of each and every line over here. You can follow free signals for you watching this video today. EBT, USDT. On the 30-minute time frame chart, you see a lot of green color over here. We wait for the entries breakout at 006345. You can follow on the screen. The EPT are showing a nice contraction pattern where we need to wait for a valid breakout before we place in our position. If you are leveraging your position, remember to always control your every movement and to move along your stop loss through the upside whenever you are profiting. So next we got the sign USDT, but it has already started off the journey to the upside. This signal has already been opened up for our VIP member first, so they got to ride on the rocket right at this area. So they are already profiting. That's the benefit of joining the VIP team. Of course, we got another one for you, the Sapien USDT, showing a nice triangle contraction. We wait for a valid entry before we place in. So before we end the video, just a huge shout out to our Crypto Papa, because we are officially running our social media platform. We got the X, Twitter. For the Crypto Papa, you can always look for a lot of insight that we are going to put, and also some of the real-time updates that we are going to put in this social media. We got the Twitter for here with the username CryptoPapa178, and also we got the Instagram. We got a lot of trading tips, and also we got some of the technical insight just for you, just to make sure that you are always following the SOP whenever you are trading. So that's all. If you are interested in joining our VIP team, feel free to hit us up in either the X or the Instagram, or even comment below on the YouTube section and let us know. So if you are keen and interested in joining our VIP team, we are currently opening for the very first 20 packs with the promotional price with just one payment, and you get a lot of benefits, and also you get a lot of real-time facts and insight, and a lot of discussion you can get from the team, and many more. We can send you the details. If you are interested, feel free to comment below on the YouTube section, or you can even hit us up at the X or the Instagram. So before we end the video, please help us to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support the community. I hope you get rich, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.